Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install Windows 8 on your Mac. This can allow you to open .exe files and play games that are only available on PC on the Mac. So this is how you do it. First thing in the description, there's going to be a link for uTorrent, and just open up uTorrent and you're going to go on their main website. From here, you want to click free download for Mac, and once you click that, as you can see now, it started downloading over here. So yes, now after the free download after you've downloaded it, just open it up and verify it. So then you can close the website once you're done. Second thing you need is Parallels, and there's going to be a link next to it in the description. Click it and click download torrent. Once you click it, you can see it opened up, and make sure that you downloaded uTorrent before you do this step, and you can tell that it's a uTorrent file now. So just open that up and let it load. It's gonna start downloading in uTorrent, and it could take anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour. Now, the third thing that you need is Windows 8.1, and there's gonna be a link in the description for that. So just scroll down after you get into this website, and you wanna click. Once you're on this Windows 8.1 Blue Preview downloads, just download either English 64-bit or English 32-bit. Most Macs are 64-bit, but just check to make sure if you're 32-bit. But most of you will click 64-bit, and you need to get this step right. So make sure you have that right. And it could take anywhere from 1 to 30, about 20 to 30 minutes or even an hour, depending on your speed. Okay. So once you've gotten all of that downloaded, you can exit out of Safari and just head on to uTorrent now. Once you're on uTorrent, you should see the Parallels, the one that's highlighted blue right now, here. You won't see these other four, it's just stuff that I have downloaded in the past. So once you get Parallels, right click on it, click Show in Finder, and as you can see, it's right here. You want to click DVI PD10.dmg. Just double click that, let it open, install, and now you can exit out of everything else. Alright, so as you can see, I have a desktop icon now, and just let this install. So there are two very important steps that I have to tell you, and I'm just gonna pause right now and I'll come back later and show you. Okay, okay guys, so I'm back, and this is the very important step that I have to tell you. And you want to do is skip this version, because this is a cracked version, so you don't want to download and install the update, otherwise it's going to be uncracked. So skip this version and just let it load, and click no use current. Alright, and now it's going to ask for your password, and I'll come back after I'm done. Alright. Sorry. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's probably going to say your toggle activation key will expire in 14 days. I already used this, and you do not need this yet, because just click later, and you're going to see this. So what you want to do is highlight the first option, click continue, then operating systems found. You're only going to have one, which is going to be Windows 8.1. I downloaded 2 by accident, so just make sure it's the Windows 8.1. Click continue. Now, just the product key, you can uncheck it for now, but it's gonna ask you later anyways. So just I get the product key. So I think I already had it. I already had it copied. So this is gonna be in the description, so you won't need to write it out. But I already copied it, so I can just click continue now. And what will you primarily use it for? This really doesn't matter. It will not enhance your performance that much. But just truly, if you want games, click games only. I'm not so sure if it does anything, but yep, I do it for games, so I'm gonna click games only. Continue. Windows 8.1, it's gonna select a disk with free space. You can manually select it as well. Continue. And here it is, creating it. And once again later. And this could take about 5 minutes, so I will come back once it is. Alright guys, this is an important step. because some of you guys might get freaked out about it. Because like if you click this, your mouse is actually inside the square and you can't escape. But don't worry, all you need to do is press Control Alt, and as you can see, your mouse is out. So yeah, that was just one of a tip, so like you don't get freaked out. So I'll come back again and see if there's anything to explain. Alright guys. Yes, one more thing is that maybe some of you guys might get something saying, do you want to install Windows 8.1 Pro Preview or Windows 8.1 Preview? If you get that, just like most of you can get that, or some of you might not get that. But if you do, just click install Windows 8.1 Pro Preview. The people that get that understand what I'm talking about. So yeah, and then just click continue. But if you don't get that, then don't worry about it. Alright, so I'll come back. Yes guys, so you know you're on the, yes guys, sorry. You know that you're on the right track once you have like the background changing color and installing apps, because that's the Windows 8 once it's restarting or installing. So you know that you're on the right track if you have that. Alright, so once again, see you in a bit. Alright, so some of you might notice that it automatically full screened. Let it do that. Don't worry, it'll actually look much better than this. It's just installing right now, so once it's done, it might glitch out a bit, but like you can, after the first time, it's gonna go good. First time, it might do some weird things, but after that, it's gonna be okay. So, okay, so you're gonna see the start screen, it's gonna restart, then you'll get your Windows 8 up again. So I'll come back later when that's there. Alright, so it's done. Here, just click the X button on for Perels, and as you can see, it's gonna say whatever the administrator account is for your MacBook. Then welcome. So just let that load. Alright, shouldn't take too long, but if it's the first time, it could take about a minute or so. Probably not more than 3 minutes. Alright, so most of you guys, some of you might go to the desktop, some of you might go to the start, but whatever it is, if you're on the desktop, you can easily go to the start. Just click the start button, and here you go, as you can see. And if you ever want your, let's say that your mouse gets stuck, like right now, wait, not right now, like give me a second. If it gets stuck, you can't like escape. All you want to do is press Control Alt, and now your cursor is free. So that's all you need to do. And I'm gonna see what's going on in the desktop. Oh, sorry, I clicked the wrong thing. Okay, start button, and it's really easy to use because it is basically the Windows 8. And I'm just gonna escape, and if you want to escape, all you need to press is File, close window. And as you can see, it's closed. And now if you want, you can full screen it again, and let's see if it makes it better. Kinda does, but not so much. So like as you can see, it's glitching out on the first time I use it, but after this, it's probably not gonna glitch out again. To show you that the internet works, Internet Explorer. I'll show you right here. Okay. Yep, use recommended settings. Okay. Okay, sorry, yeah, google.com. Let this load. Alright, as you can see, it all works. Everything's fine. And this is how you do it. And if your mouse is stuck, once again, your cursor, Control Alt, and you're free. Alright guys, so just please comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned, because in 2 days or 3, I will have a video on how to install Black Ops 2 on your MacBook and any other PC games, such as Destiny. So thanks for watching.